Alright, here we go. Gas station 2 or something. I don't know exactly. We're hitting a lot of gas stations today. We're freaking out here, bro. We got homie with the Banshee. That's the sketchy thing about the 2-strokes. You gotta mix the gas with the oil. And like, you know your boy, I be stressing out. What's good, bro? It's scary, bro. I'll be looking over my shoulder, like trying to mix the oil, like. And that's how they shake it, like, or like the oil in the bike with the gas. You gotta shake it to mix it up, or you'll foul a plug. I'm always like looking for my bike, bro, because we in Miami, and if y'all know Miami, if you know Miami, you always gotta look out for your bike. I got my wheelie juice. You got his Bush Light or his Bush beer. I got my water. And the water. You gotta get a little tipsy and hydrated. So gang, this is like the first pack of the day. We just all met up at that wheelie spot, like I said. And bro, we already got like a decent amount of out here. Let's go. That bit clean. Damn, they had bananas in there? Yeah, one. That helps with the arm pump, right? With the arm pump. The banana? Sir. Oh, bro, I love this, bro. Just Miami vibes. Everyone gassing up, doing their thing, eating up their bananas, bro, because I guess the banana helps with the arm pump. You crazy, bro. Running on no sleep, so I barely got any energy. Well, for having no energy, you going crazy, bro. My boy on the DRZ. The DRZ, bro. It's a classic. You traded a car for this? Damn. Yeah, we out here vibing, bro. Boy got the 360 cam. He about to get some crazy footy. He said, ah. Alright, I guess, bro, we've been to so many gas stations today. I think we've hit more gas stations than we rode. Homie's about to mix that 2-stroke. Bro, as y'all know, when I'm getting my 2-stroke oil and mixing it with the gas, I'm always sketching out, bro. I'm like looking around me, making sure no popo around. That's good right there. Don't overfill it, because you gotta put the oil. Or do you already put the oil in or no? Oh. I just put 8. Oh, you got. No, yeah. People do like, some people do 3 ounces, 7 ounces. Either way, you'll be straight. See, it's already over. It's just hard to see on those fucking. Not really, because it starts at the top. Because doesn't it start like up here? That's what I'm saying. I got you. The 2-strokes be sketchy, bro, because just freaking finding the right oil amount and everything, it's stressful. You gotta go for real, because this fucking motion's gonna get pissed off. I can't see this motherfucker, bro. Because it's up. It's right here. It's like right there? Somewhere. Put a little more, just put a little more. Stop. Sketchy, dog. So sketchy. Gas station quest, boy. Sheesh. Alright. We at the gas station, boy. This don't work. It don't work. This gas station, bro. Damn, gas station didn't work, bro. Your shit work or no? Can I give you some money? Venmo you or some shit? Appreciate that, bro. You know, we're out here, gas station adventures. We got my boy with the YZ450. You know the vibe. Say what up to him. What up? He's camera shy. Your 2-stroke good? You're good on gas? I appreciate that, bro. Put a bit extra full. It's good, bro. How you doing? Good to see you, bro. Every time I see you, you're mixing the two-stroke. Let's go. Killing that 85. Got a pointed out? Dude, we need to leave, bro. This spot.
It's like way too hot.
Alright, gang, as you can see, we're at McDonald's. We pulled up on all the bikes. What's good, bro? And yeah, we're about to freaking get a little McDouble. Hey, where did everyone else go? Like Joey and them.
I think Joey don't know where he's at.
You know, dirt bikes in the drive-thru. Casual Miami vibes. He's trying to go through the bushes, but ain't really making it. Cruising. Alright, we're getting some gas real quick. Even though I'm like pretty much full, dude. I barely used any gas that whole ride. Let's see where we're at. Oh my god, oh my god. I used 0.6 gallon, bro. Look at that thing. Oh my lord.